Now rocks. Rocks are also natural resources and there are three main kinds of rocks. What are they? Igneous rock, metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock. Okay. Three main kinds of rock: igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary. So igneous. Igneous means ignite. Ignite means to fire something. Okay. Ignite means to fire something. So the name itself igneous, it shows its origin, somewhere this rocks comes. So here this is the magma chamber. Chamber means under beneath the earth when the magma is hot and molten, मतलब बहुत गर्म और लिक्विड जैसा होता है, and due to pressure it comes out like this. इसे कहते we tell it as volcano. And when this rock they flow like this here and there and then they melt, the molten rock when come out and with the atmospheric temperature it cools down, okay, and it forms to the rock that is called as igneous rock. Okay, so igneous means ignite, ignite means fire. So here from the magma, magma means the molten, due to heat and fire it is molten and it is formed from magma, so it is called as the igneous rock. Now sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock means it is formed due to the sediments. Sediments means what? When something settle down, means when you add some soil or mud in water, you stir with a spoon and let it for some time, then what will happen? The mud or the soil, they will settle down slowly and on the top you will get the clear water. So that is called as sediment. So here what you are seeing in the picture, here in the sea, under the sea, these are the different layers of sand. The lower one is the most old one, so it slowly it becomes rock. This is called as the sedimentary rock because it is formed due to the sediments. धीरे धीरे जब सॉइल्स मड जब बैठता है धीरे 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 with long time it forms the rock, that is called as sedimentary rock. Now metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means change. Okay, metamorphosis means change. So here when any kind of rock, igneous or sedimentary, there are mainly three kinds of rock. What are the? Igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary. And metamorphosis means change. So when the igneous or the sedimentary rock they change, they form the new kind of rock that is called as the metamorphic rock. Look here, this is the kind of rock that is going through the heat from lower side and pressure from upper side. Okay, that is it. When any kind of rock that is igneous or sedimentary rock, it undergoes change due to pressure and heat, it forms a new kind of rock that is called as metamorphic rock. Metamorphosis means change and the rock that is formed due to change is called as metamorphic rock. Okay, here you are seeing another kind. Look here, sedimentary rock, when it goes through the heat and pressure it is formed into the metamorphic rock. Okay.